Discipline is the bridge between goals and results. It's not about being in the mood. It's about being committed. Even when the mood is gone, we live in a culture obsessed with motivation. We search for it, wait for it, consume content to spark it. But motivation is temporary. Discipline is what stays when motivation leaves. It's the quiet force that drives consistency, and consistency is what creates lasting change. In this video, we're diving deep into discipline, what it is, how it works, and exactly how to build it. You don't need to be special or naturally driven. You need a system and a mindset to follow through. Let's start by dismantling the myth of motivation. Motivation is emotional energy. It's reactive. It kicks in when you're inspired by a story or a quote. But because it's emotional, it's unstable. It fluctuates with your sleep, mood, stress, even the weather. You can't build a life on something so inconsistent. Discipline, on the other hand, is a skill, a system of behavior repeated over time. It's what allows you to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. That's power. Think of discipline like a muscle. It strengthens with use. And like any muscle, it starts with small, simple reps. So how do you build it? Step 1. Define a powerful why. Without a strong reason, discipline feels like punishment. You need a compelling emotional anchor. Why do you want this? Your reason must be stronger than your excuses. Maybe it's your health, your future, your family, or your self-worth. Write it down. Make it visible. Remind yourself daily. Step 2. Set identity-based goals. Don't focus only on outcomes. Focus on who you want to become. I'm a reader. I'm someone who trains consistently. Every small action reinforces identity, and identity drives behavior more than goals. Step 3. Break it down. Big or vague goals fail. Be productive isn't a plan. Write 200 words after coffee is. Make your goal specific. Start small, 1 sentence, 5 minutes, 10 push-ups. What matters is consistency, not intensity. Step 4. Design your environment. Your surroundings shape your habits. If your phone is visible, you'll reach for it. If junk food is nearby, you'll eat it. Discipline is easier when your environment supports it. Remove distractions. Prep your space. Make success easy. Step 5. Build systems, not just streaks. A system is a routine backed by structure. Want to work out in the morning? Lay out clothes. Sleep early. Use a tracking app. Systems reduce decision fatigue and automate behavior. Step 6. Master your mornings. Don't begin your day with your phone. Create a grounding ritual. Reading, journaling, stretching, prayer, meditation. Start with intention. Set your tone. Step 7. Embrace boredom. Real discipline means repetition, even when it's not exciting. Writers write without inspiration. Athletes train when no one watches. Mastery is built in boredom. Boredom means you're on the right track. Step 8. Reframe failure. Discipline doesn't mean perfection. Even the most consistent people fail. The difference? They bounce back quickly. Miss 1 day, not 2. Learn. Adjust. Continue. Step 9. Learn to say no. Discipline requires boundaries. Say no to distractions, to impulsive choices, to people who don't align with your vision. Every no is a yes to something better. Step 10. Track, reflect, refine. Keep a habit log. Ask yourself nightly, what worked? What didn't? What changes tomorrow? Awareness improves discipline. You can't fix what you don't notice. Now let's go deeper. Your brain builds habits through neuroplasticity. Every repeated behavior strengthens neural pathways. Discipline becomes automatic over time. But your brain doesn't care if the habit is good or bad. It builds whatever you repeat. That's why scrolling becomes easy. You've trained for it. The solution? Replace. Don't just remove. Replace scrolling with reading, complaining with journaling, passive watching with active learning. Discipline isn't just mental, it's physical. If you're exhausted, undernourished, or dehydrated, your follow-through suffers. Sleep, move, eat whole foods, drink water. These are not luxuries. They're foundations. You can't out-discipline the broken body. Don't overload yourself. You don't need 10 goals. You need one that matters. Focus multiplies power. Improve one area first. Stabilize it, then expand. Spreading yourself thin spreads your results thin, too. And when you feel like giving up, remember, the cost of discipline is temporary. The cost of regret is permanent. Discipline is hard, but not as hard as living with the consequences of inaction. Let me remind you, you are not weak. You're not broken. You're untrained, for now. But training starts today. Choose one habit. Make it small. Make it daily. Make it non-negotiable. If you stay with it, not perfectly, but consistently, in 3 months, you'll be a different person. More focused, more confident, more grounded, and more free. Because freedom is not doing whatever you want. Freedom is having the power to do what you said you would do. And that power is called discipline. If you found this video valuable, consider giving it a like to support the channel. And hit subscribe if you want more content like this every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.